Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Okay, listen, this video is unedited, unscripted, all that stuff, but I wanted to let you guys know in video form that we are having a live 2-day workshop called Viewer to Client on June 23rd and 24th at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, the same day. So I wanted to let you guys know this way so you don't miss out on it, but it is a live 2-day training and it is for entrepreneurs and small business owners who are looking to literally learn how to take people from viewer to clients, learn how to take your audience from viewer to clients using the power of YouTube and evergreen marketing funnels, okay? And so, anywho, just wanted to let you guys know that I will put the link down below in the description box, as well as the link is andreadenise.com/viewer to client. Okay, we're going to be talking about in this workshop content creation, how to repurpose content, mindset blocks and money things that are keeping your bag like inexistent. Okay, get out of your head and into your bag. We're talking about how to create content that is backed in sales psychology that then will convert for you. So how to make content that converts. We are diving deep. It is not just a surface level thing. We're going deep into these topics so that you can leave having your best business being better than it was when you came in. It will be one of the best investments you make this year. So I definitely advise you to check it out. Come join us live. And I wanted to let you guys know via video so you guys don't miss out on it. So again, it is live. We'll be doing it via Zoom. That way we'll be able to talk back and forth. It won't be like a live video where you can't talk back with me. We'll literally be in the same like virtual room. I will be walking through certain frameworks, walking through certain strategies, and we'll be actually implementing on the actual like call in the workshop. Okay, so wanted to let you guys know, come and join us. Spaces are limited. So definitely check it out. Again, it is June 23rd, 24th. It is our Viewer to Client 2-day live virtual workshop that we definitely want you to be at if you are a small business owner or entrepreneur. Okay, this is for service-based business owners as well as product-based business owners. Okay, so if you have a service or a product that you offer, this is for you, okay? All right, you guys. Love you to the moon and back. Jeez, love you to the moon and back. This was no editing, raw, unscripted. Yes, so anyway, come join us and we'll see you there. All right, bye y'all.